Shenzhen Kingstar Bags and Cases Company Limited was founded in 2005, located in Shenzhen, China. Our factory is specialized in the producing, developing of all kinds of bags and cases such as cosmetic bag, toiletry bag, tote shopper bag, cooler bag, backpack, purses, etc. All our products are exported to Europe, USA, Canada, Japan, Korea, Australia, etc. with excellent quality and good after-sale service. We have established reliable business relationship with lots of customers all over the world, as well as some famous brands like Space NK, Avene, Ferrari, Estee Lauder, Wecon, Micro, Lacoste, Mary Kay, etc. Kingstar is certified by ISO 9001. There are around 79 workers serving in the center now. All the Kingstar's stuffs pay higher attention to the goods quality, as it stick to its business idealism, gain the market through the best service, reliable quality and competitive price, up to now as well as the future. The high education QC team inspect the whole progress of the production from first material incoming, middle mass production to final goods packing, to enable the goods quality to meet customers' standard. Kingstar would like to develop the business with all the customers, whatever quantity is large or small. As long as you cooperate with Kingstar, sincerely welcome all customers to visit our office and production center. We are looking forward to creating a brilliant future with you hand in hand. Thanks.
Kingstar, your reliable bag partner. You will get what you want from Kingstar.
Welcome to Kingstar Factory!